Hello everyone, this is JoysonChristo. Yeah, I do have a YouTube channel, but it's quite a long time I haven't uploaded much. But you can see in future once my schedule clear. And the footage that you're looking right now is a place from Vietnam, which I have visited recently. This place is really nice. If you have anyone planning for Vietnam trip, please don't miss this place. This place is called Ha Long Bay, and you must be having a multiple option for a day trip or like a night stay for 2 or 3. I would personally prefer to go for only day trip, which you can take a good cruise and you can visit from morning till evening. You can there. You may not be able to see a sunrise, but definitely you can see a sunset, which will be worth it. And you cannot see much places after night, so the best option is a day trip. And don't hesitate to spend a good money over here for a better cruise experience. Especially this spot is one of the good place which I have really crashed my drone over there, and it's pretty much working well after that also. Everyone enjoy this one. We'll see you on next video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.